Okay, we come up to the road. Up that way is the soccer field park.
Hey, do you see a spider on my boat?
No, he's not on there.
Sure?
Yeah, you're good. And this goes under the road. So we get under there, but there's spiders in there. So I'll go. We're gonna go under there, and we're gonna see if the kayaks fit, and then we'll see what the other side looks like. We'll let Edson go first. He's crouched down to fit. This is kind of cool.
I fit. Yeah, there's nowhere to kayak in here.
And there is light at the end of the tunnel. Oh, I gotta get my oar.
Am I dead?
Not yet.
Not yet. Good answer.
You got a few years to go. Okay, now it's my turn. There we go. Sorry about that. I had to get situated here, and we're going through, floating through. This is kind of fun we get into here in Texas. Yay! We're making it. I'm kind of bumping the edge there a little bit. Huh? The fish are? And here's a waterfall right there. Yep. There's right up in there is where I caught a little one the other day. So we're gonna kind of jump up there and see what it looks like.